Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to fit headlight bulbs to your Audi A3. First step is to pop the bonnet with this lever here on the right side of the driver's side. Now we'll open the bonnet. There's a little catch underneath in the middle. You just pull that lever and the bonnet will come up. As you can see, this is the working side. The side that has where the bulb has died is this one. Now I must say that this is not the easiest car to have to change a headlight bulb on, but as you can see, this thing here is what needs to come off, and maybe you can see that it says open, and that is in a, as you look at it here, anti-clockwise direction. You need to turn it. Now mine was very jammed, I couldn't get it to move initially, so I jiggled it. Try a bit of jiggling and you should find that there we go. As you can see, it's turned, and that cap should just come straight off. Okay, like so. Put that there, and remember, as you can see here, open is anti-clockwise, close is clockwise. Right. It's very hard to see down there, so what you may wish to do is take a photo before you start. Let's see what we can find down there. Let's see if we can see the back of the bulb. Here you go. So I've managed to get the bulb out of the headlight housing. As you can see, the bulb itself, there's a notch on one side, which is important because the polarity needs to be correct. So when you take it out, make sure you remember which part of the bulb was connected to what part of the socket. It was very difficult to get this out. I did it with by feeling inside the cavity with my fingers, and managed to turn it. You can see there's this plastic part here which I was able to get my fingers to and turn in anti-clockwise direction. So obviously when we put it back, we'll need to do it in a clockwise direction. Managed to put the new bulb in the housing now. Just need to get it back in, and you can actually look through here and get it into the right position. So as you can see, I've managed to get the bulb back in now. It was tricky, but there's a small metal notch that needs to point downwards on the back of the bulb housing, which I'll show you in a photo. But basically, you put it back in to the hole, and then you turn it in a clockwise direction from behind. But it's very tricky and does take quite a bit of trial and error to get it into there. But I managed to do it, and now we need to put back on the the rear cap. So this goes on. It should end up like this basically. So it will go on like that and then turn like this. Let's see if we can do it. There's a wire thing here, which does get in the way. Let's try and okay. So it's on there now. Just need to turn it clockwise. There we go. It's back in position, and it should now be working. As you can see, the bulb is now replaced and working. Same as the other side. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. I would say that if you have the option of someone fitting it for you, it might be easier in this case because it is very difficult, but at least you've got an idea how to do it if you want to give it a go. Thanks for watching.